I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed.
This week we did a bunch of leader outside the cones racing, which is always fun, and I don't have to explain it here because past Justin explains it in the very first race. The first race features probably one of my best saves of all time. The cart just kicked sideways really hard in one of the braking zones, and I managed to not spin. In the last race, however, the same kind of thing happens, and I am not able to save it. So stick around and see what happens with that. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are an unsubscriber watching this and you have not clicked the subscribe button, unfortunately, I am going to be forced to cast a spell that you will get a hangnail in the next couple days. So make sure you subscribe, because I wouldn't want a hangnail. All right, there's no threats, but you make your own decisions. Do whatever you want. Have a good one.
I'm back for a challenge night. I guess we're doing some leader outside the cones racing. It's always a fun time. Keeps people bunched up. Get a lot of good racing going on. And here we go. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Ow. Okay. That's fine. Oh, hit that one pretty good. Okay. If I haven't explained it already, in the intro, leader outside the cones is we put a cone section on the track, and after the first lap, whoever's in the lead has to take said cone section, and it's a good way to keep everyone bunched up. Leads to some good racing, because whoever's in first always has to take the longer lap. So usually it's kind of a casino. It's definitely kind of a random-ish race, because you kind of got to get lucky to win the race. You got to be in position, but then also not take the cone when it's the last lap. Oh boy, did that pretty poorly. Oh, tires are sliding, great. Did they, what happened? What are we doing? What'd you do? Are you sure it's dead, or you just don't have any skill left?
2 seconds later.
All right, and we're back. Small little caution because someone's cart had no power. And here we go. Honestly, this cart's kind of nice. I kind of wish I just had to do some little time trial. Every now and then you get a cart like during racing and you're just like, man, this feels so nice. I wish I could just like time trial it. It's like the perfect amount of like slip on the back tires, but still responsive. Come on, Dave. Let's go. Let's go, brother. Oh boy, yep. I just gotta handle the slipperiness a little better though. I'm not. Certain laps I feel great. Other laps I am not doing so well. I know it's really hard hitting journalism right there. Real hard hitting journalism. Sometimes I'm good, sometimes I'm bad. I'll tell you what, that's some insight that you're not gonna get anywhere else. You're gonna get it from the best go-karting channel on the planet right here, okay? Oh yeah, that feels so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh boy, okay, wow, I saved that one. Oh my god! That might have legitimately been one of my best saves I've ever had. That back end kicked out so hard. One thing I've noticed with this cart is it kind of pulls in a certain direction, and it really wanted to kick out right there. Oh my gosh! I'm not sure how well that's going to come across on camera, but wow. That's legitimately one of my best saves I've ever done. Yeah, stay on his butt. Stay on his butt. Let's go, bud. Okay. How about a little checkered flag? You want to give me a little checkered? How about a little checkered? A little checkered? No checkered. Okay. 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 No! God damn it. I had the outside. I wasn't going to get it. It's okay. Good race, good race.
Well, that didn't work.
And break for rate qualifier number 2. Oh boy. Okay. All right. That was okay. Oh boy. Tires are a little cooked. Okay. We're fine. Stay on the outside. Give him some space. Okay, good. Good job. That was good, bud. Good job. We navigated that without any incident. I'm actually really proud of everyone involved. Because that would have been a really easy place for something to happen. My tires are... Thank you. I appreciate the boost. I think my gas pedal might be sticking. I can't tell. So yeah, we have 2 qualifying races like this, and based on your average of your finishes, you're gonna qualify for the feature race. I think we might actually have enough for a B main today. I think we have like 14, 15 people, something like that. So we might have two main events here that someone might be able to race their way into the A main. Stay on the old bumper there. Okay. Don't know where Brian went. He's back there somewhere. Man, I've been really good at staying on people's bumpers today. I'll say what. I'll tell you that. I don't. What am I even saying today? I don't know. I'm really happy with my braking zones following people is what I need to say. I am anticipating their braking and following them and staying as close as possible to them in the braking zones. Okay, good. We tried. We weren't gonna keep it any longer than that. Come on, bud. Let's go. Ow! Okay. I would love a checkered flag. How about a checkered flag? Anybody want to give a checkered flag? Any checkered flags? No checkered flags. Okay, all right. Oh no, no checkered right now. I'm gonna end up in 4th. maybe. Give me 3rd. Okay. More laps. Give me more laps. Oh, sorry, Dave. Okay. Okay, all right. How about one more lap? Give me one more lap. I would like one more lap. Son of a... I'll take 2 seconds. That's good. Good race. We're back for the feature race. Qualified fourth from the 2 heats. For my 2 second places was good enough for fourth. And same format, but now we've added an extra cone section right there. So it's going to be real bunched up this race. That is for sure. Yep, I'm going to lose the old inside there. That's fine. That happens. Yep. All right. I had to be a little aggressive there. That was my space. It was my space. I had to be a little aggressive. Let's go, bud. Whoosh. Okay, we gotta get in there. Ow! Oh goodness. All right. Okay. All right. See, starting on the outside is always a little tough, because you can easily just be shuffled all the way back, and that's kind of what happened. I didn't find a good enough place to get to the inside, so we got shuffled back, and that's what happens. So now we just gotta make up some spaces. We gotta make up some spaces. Oh boy. Okay, boys. Okay, boys. All right, boys. Okay. Whoa. Man, everybody is bunched up. Everybody is bunched. No, Dave. Oh, no. Oh, no. We could have made it, Dave. Oh, what a time for you to slide. If you would have made that properly, I think we both would have passed Mason. That's okay. That's okay. Stuff happens. Okay, we need to find a way to get some spots here, though. We need to get into the rotation somewhere. Just keep on the bumper. Keep on the bumper. Because we're gonna need to get alongside somebody to make up some spaces here. We are pulling away from the people behind us, so that's good. Oh, come on, boys. Okay, and everyone is now caught up to us after that little snafu by everyone. I feel like I'm gonna be stuck here. I don't know where I can get the move in, because everyone is braking like really hard. Okay, let's go, bud. Let's go. I'll give you the space, Dave. I'll give you the space. Okay, we gotta find some more spots though. We gotta find probably at least one more spot to get into the rotation. I don't know how many laps are left in this race. That is one thing about leader outside the cones. It's always a mystery as to how many laps are left. Oh. Ow. Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh no. Oh no, what bad timing, brother. Oh no. I promise I reacted, but I got smacked right as you spun. There was no chance you were surviving, brother. I'm sorry. Oh boy. Oh, you definitely got the speed on me. Oh no! Oh no! That's not good. I was trying to avoid turning him in the instant. I feel like my brain was like, I'm gonna turn him if I don't do something. The race is over. Anyways, whatever. I'll have to watch that one back on camera.